Hi, second grade. Welcome back to Poetry Corner. We are going to talk about haiku. No, it's not a sneeze. It's a poem called a haiku. It's a form of poetry and it comes from Japan and it only has 3 lines in it. That's it. Only 3. No more, no less. Okay? So, if you saw on the PowerPoint, I've got it pulled up on our video today. So the haiku has everything to do about syllables. So when you learned in first grade how to count syllables, you're going to use that in haiku poetry. So the very first line has 5 syllables. No more, no less. Line number 2 has 7 syllables. And line 3 goes back down to 5 syllables. And that's it. Now, a lot of haikus, they're mostly about nature. You'll find a lot about seasons, things like that. Now, those are the more traditional haikus. But if we want to write just a regular haiku about mom, something like that, or dad, or your sister, your brother, you can do that. That's okay. But traditional haiku is mostly about nature, things that you find in nature. So I'm hoping that you remember how to count syllables. So a lot of us, we put our chin right down here, and then you would say haiku, and see how many times your chin would hit your hand. And so that would be 2. Or we did the clapping, haiku. That way you could count how many syllables are in each word. Let's take a look over here on the right-hand side of this page. Gives us some examples of haiku poetry. Let's count the syllables in the first one. Butterflies are cool. Butterflies. So, butterflies. 3. And butterflies are cool. 5 syllables. That's what we need. We can only have 5 syllables in that very first line. So let's count our syllables in the second line. How many are we supposed to have in the second line? 7. Let's see if we get to 7. In. The. Big. Huge. Green. Goodness. Forest. Forest. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 syllables. What about the last line? How many are we supposed to have in the last line of a haiku? Only 5. So we have to go back down to 5 syllables. They fly up so high. They fly up so high. Looky there. 5 right there. So we've got 5 syllables in the last one. I just did tick marks on that one. So 5 syllables. 5, 7, 5. Take a look at the next one. It's right next to the bee there. A fat bee stings me. It hurts very badly, but I do not cry though. A fat bee stings me. Just from reading it, a fat bee stings me. There's only 5, and I can see how many words there are too. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words, 1 syllable apiece. That fits. It hurts very badly, but it hurts very badly, but it hurts very badly. Oh, very. Take a look at the second one. It's right there by the bee. A fat bee stings me. It hurts very badly, but I do not cry though. Let's count the first one. Take a look at that one. How many words is that in the first sentence, that very first line? A fat bee stings me. There's 5 words. So each of those words should only have 1 syllable. A fat bee stings me. 5. That one was easy enough. How about the second one? Look at line number 2. It hurts very badly, but. It hurts very badly, but. 7 syllables. That fits. Now we have to go back down to 5. I do not cry though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can see that there's 5 words in the last line, and we have to make sure that they only have 1 syllable apiece. So, I do not cry though. There you go. Those are the 2 ways that we've been working on doing our syllables. I know you guys have been doing that since 1st grade. So I want you to go ahead and you can do the second 2 haiku poems on your own. And then I'm going to make up one right here about my dog Gibby. You guys get to see Gibby all the time. When you get to the end of the PowerPoints, I usually put a picture of him up there. So 5 syllables first. 5, 7, 5. So Gibby is my subject. All of these should be about Gibby. So Gibby, you hear him snoring? He's snoring. Is a dog. Let's count our syllables. Gibby is a dog. 5 syllables. Second line. I got this one. He likes to snore on my bed, which is what he's doing right now. Let's write it out. He likes to snore on my bed. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looky there, I've got 7 words. We have to double check and make sure each of those are only 1 syllable apiece. He likes to snore on my bed. That's 7. Last one. I've already got this one all set. The last line. Cute describes my dog. Let's count it out. Cute describes my dog. 5 syllables. That's my haiku about my dog Gibby. So here's your challenge. And after LE, go through and see if you can make up your own haiku. Bye.